What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here with you today with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what you should do when you join MyEcon. The very first thing you should do when you join MyEcon, or what you should have a person to do when they join MyEcon under you. So these are the first steps that I believe that you should take your person through, or that you should go through when you log into the MyEcon system. Okay, so what you want to do is log in. Okay, I understand a lot of people, they want to get straight to marketing the business and everything, and that's fine if you're able to do that. But somebody who don't know anything about marketing yet, you want them to, as quickly as possible, to get some money back into their paycheck, back into their house or whatever. So you want to show them the first step that MyEcon has to offer them, which is filling out the W-4 form correctly. Okay, revisiting the W-4 form. Okay, so when you log into your back office, the first thing you want to do is download these apps. Okay, you want to download the MyEcon app and the Cash Flow Manager app to your phone. Okay, you can get them both from the Apple Store and from Google Play. So you'll have access to both of these apps on your phone, especially this one here, where you can keep up with your mileage. Okay, tracks your income and expenses in business, captures and stores your receipts online, and it presets and customized income expenses category, truck multiple businesses in one account, recurring interest entry feature to minimize the work, and it has been improved. So you want to first of all download these two apps to your phone. Okay, let's go back. Then the next thing you want to do is go through the quick start orientation, which can be found here. The first one, read the overview here given by June Carter's 3-minute video. Okay, the next one you want to do is your tax withholding. This is revisiting your W-4 form. If you have a job, you can revisit your W-4 form and fill it out correctly so you get the proper allowances. Now, the thing is, you now are a business owner once you join MyEcon. Okay, and being a business owner, you have the same tax breaks as, a McDonald's or a Walmart or anybody that has a business, a lawyer, doctor, whatever the case may be. You have those same tax breaks. So what you want to do is go to the IRS site. You can just go to Google, type in W-4 form in Google, and it's going to pop up. Go to the IRS site, download those to your computer and print them off. Okay, and then you want to follow this training right here. Okay, the tax withholding training, step by step, as he walk you through the process. Now, depending upon your situation, okay, that depends upon how much you're going to get back. Okay, if you are a married couple and only the husband is working and he's only making $2,000 per month, but they're only taking out $75 in taxes or whatever the case may be, don't expect to get $200. Okay, so it all depends upon your situation, upon your wages, as a married couple, as a single person, and things of that nature. So you have to take that into account. But just follow along with this video here, and he shows you exactly how to do that. Once you get this form filled out, you take it to your HR department or whoever you need to turn it into, and you give it to them and wait for the adjustments to be made on your next paycheck. That puts money in your pocket right then and there. So now this money is to be used to help you pay down debt. Okay, eliminate your debt, not pay it down, eliminate your debt, which is what you want to do. Then you can minimize expenses. See, when you fill out the W-4 form correctly, get more money back into your paycheck, into your house. You can pay off debt, which puts more money back into your house. Look at some of the money you have going out on some of the things you may not need. Can you get a cheaper cell phone plan, smartphone plan? Can you get a cheaper internet service or cheaper TV service or whatever the case may be, you know, something like that? What else can you eliminate? And then you start applying those things, and then you have more money back into your house. Okay, now understand that this also covers, okay, this also, when you make this adjustment on the W-4 form, this also covers the payment that you made to come back into, to get into MyEcon, which is paid for. Okay, so that covers your initial $47.90 to come in, or the $34.95 to come in, depending upon which one you choose when you come in at that moment. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do when you join MyEcon. You want to make sure you go through this quick start training, every last one of them. Okay, every last one of them. This gets you started. Okay, don't necessarily worry about a marketing system if you don't know how to market yet. Okay, there are some other things that we give you inside of the MyEcon takeover group that can help you get going already without, you know, necessarily having to get a marketing system. Now, if you decide to get a marketing system, they have a specific system that is specific for MyEcon. Okay, so you have that option as well. So as I said, when you first come in, the first thing you want to do is download the 2 apps. Okay, go through the quick start orientation and go through that. If you're here for the credit, there's your smart credit system here. You can start going through that training. Okay, but do this new mobile apps, quick start orientation first, and then move on. Here are all your reports here. This is what comes with your membership. You have some MyEcon Lives where you can watch some past videos with Ivy Stokes, the man that owns the company, one of the owners of the company. You have meetings and events and just some of everything, you know, here. You even have a training center. Okay, when you come into the training center, I highly suggest you check out the page. Okay, you have MyEcon training videos, quick start, the tax strategy, W-4 form training. Okay, you have pays, so comprehensive training. Okay, so just watch this intro video. You can come down through here, and if you want, you can purchase these memberships in here. Okay, that's one of the things you can do. Okay, let's go back. And you have podcasts, and you have MyEcon Live archives. Another thing is, let me see, extra digit training. Make sure you get plugged into this as well. It has all kind of training in here that you can go through, and it keeps track of your progress as you go through each one of these things. Okay, so that's some additional training that you have. Okay, but don't get overwhelmed. Don't get overwhelmed with all of the training that's available to you. Take your time, go through your back office, and here's another one, Alvin's website. Okay, you have webinars, smart credit repair kit, the withholding calculator. All of these things are available to you, you know, when you join MyEcon. Okay, so with that being said, that's it for this video. I want to thank all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead on and subscribe. Click that little bell so you'll be notified when I do other videos. Also, leave me a comment in the description, and like this video and share it if you know somebody that needs this information. And I look forward to working with you. If you need a link to the MyEcon. There will be a link in the description. You can click that link to check out MyEcon and come on and join the team, and let's get you on the right track to your financial success. All right, with that being said, you have a good night tonight and a better day tomorrow. Peace.